Hey everybody, welcome to Connecticut. We are at Mystic Aquarium in Connecticut. You can see here we're parked out here in the shade, and Tansy's loving it out here. Yeah. She's gone on a walk already this morning. Lots of buses coming in. Over 600 students coming in today, so that is going to be
fun,
exciting. Parking lots filling up, so let's get going.
Yep, let's go see some animals.
Hey everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. As we said in the opening, we are at Mystic Aquarium. Lots of people, it seems to be pretty popular. This was suggested to us by our friend, said it was really a cool place to come. And so we are here. This is Connecticut. We're right on the, well, just down from the ocean. And it's called Mystic Aquarium. So I think it'll be a lot of fun. We have the day planned here today, so we're just gonna meander around and enjoy all the animals. Maybe
all the little fishies.
Maybe Ninette will see another otter.
Another otter? But
I don't know.
It's not in the wild. That's
the one that was in the wild. If
that
you
was pretty thrilling.
If you check out here, we had that one that was in the wild at the
natural bridge.
Yeah, at the big natural bridge that
Virginia?
we seen in Virginia, right?
Wow.
Yep. She remembered, so she'll probably never forget. So anyway, we're gonna go on in and check it out.
Let's go.
So you do have to have tickets to get in, and you can purchase the tickets here locally, or you can purchase them online. And seniors, we paid $37 each for our ticket, and there are attractions inside that you can buy in addition, especially the Dino ride they have. You know, if you want those, you can buy those extra. Otherwise, they do ask for donations for a number of different things because they are a research aquarium. All right, that's a place where we can see kind of what's going on as we come in here. We purchased our tickets online, and it makes it a little bit easier getting in here. So going through the gate was pretty simple. This is the Dino Seas Journey. This is extra. It's $10 for members, but $15 for non-members, which we are non-members. So they have animatronics in there and places to play and have a lot of fun.
And for those of you guys just coming in, welcome. Just please make sure that we're using 2 fingers when touching, so that's just our index and our middle finger. And once again, these guys will be able to sense your hands, so they will come up to you. If any of you guys have any additional questions about our crown-nosed stingrays, please feel free to shout them out of the
Stingrays are always fun. These guys have a lot to offer. Man, there's a lot of people here though. It does get kind of noisy, so we're going to just take a little slideshow through the aquarium. Okay, well that ends our little trek today. This is at Mystic Aquarium. We have had a lot of fun here, and this has been a cool little place to stop and visit.
Nice parking.
Yeah, really great parking. It is in Connecticut, so.
And there's a lot of beluga whales. Look at them.
Yeah, look at all the
behind
beluga
us.
whales, yeah.
You see it? There he is.
Yeah, he's just going on by.
And there's a baby up in there.
Yeah. They have a lot of everything here, so it's pretty cool. And we've enjoyed it.
Got to
and
pet the shark and the
yeah.
stingrays.
Just happens to be something you can do in Connecticut. So we encourage anybody that's passing through to stop here
And they're
and check this out. Yeah, it's a research
rescue
place. So a lot of the things that are here are ones that have been rescued over the time, and they're taken care of really well. So that's what's important.
fun shows.
So anyway, that completes what we're doing here on this video. So thanks for coming along with us. We really appreciate you coming along and enjoying our adventures with us as we go out and about. So we'll just plan on seeing you guys down the road somewhere, and if not, then we'll just see you on our next video.